Meaning of gas giant.
Gas giant.
Gas giant.
Gas giant.
Gas giant. Gas giant refers to a type of planet that is primarily composed of gases such as hydrogen and helium, rather than rocky material like Earth. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 4 gas giants in our solar system. These planets have thick atmospheres that contain layers of clouds made up of various chemicals. Due to their huge size, gravity on these planets is much stronger than that on Earth. Gas giants are important for astronomers to study, as they can give insight into planetary formation and evolution.